Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn the real number system together, step by step. Every number you use lives in a family. The naturals are your counting numbers. Add 0 and you get the whole numbers. Add the negatives and you get the integers. Then come the rationals. Anything you can write as a fraction a over b, where b is not 0. Each family fits neatly inside the next. Here's the big split. A rational number's decimal either stops, like 0.25, or repeats, like 0.333. An irrational number, like the square root of 2 or pi, runs forever with no pattern. Together, rationals and irrationals make up all the real numbers. The Venn diagram shows they never overlap. Let's classify the square root of 16. It looks scary, but the square root of 16 is just 4. And 4 is a counting number, so it's natural, whole, and integer and rational all at once. The lesson here: always simplify first. A radical can hide a perfectly ordinary number underneath. Now let's order these on a number line. Negative 1.5 root 2, negative 2, and 0.75. First estimate. Root 2 is about 1.41. Negative 2 sits farthest left, then negative 1.5, then 0.75, then root 2. Estimating irrationals as decimals makes ordering easy. Let's lock it in. The number families nest inside each other, from naturals all the way up to rationals. A rational decimal stops or repeats. An irrational one goes forever with no pattern. To compare any numbers, turn them into decimals and line them up. Master this, and the whole real number system makes sense. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.